Hi, kindergartners. Okay, you're going to need some materials today. You're going to need your math story board that's bright orange. You're going to need some crayons, and you'll need this blank piece of paper for your math story. We did one in class, but you should have a blank one left in your bag so that you can do a math story with me now, okay? So press pause and grab your materials and come on back. All right, kindergartners, so in class, we did a math story and we used 2 different color markers, and we did a quick sketch on our math board, and then we made our math story. Then we drew a math story as a quick sketch on our paper, and then we wrote it in on our board, and we said our math story aloud. Today we're going to do a similar thing. So if you have your blank math story board, you're going to need that. And instead of our markers, since we're not using our adding board, we are going to use some crayons on our paper. So I'm going to pull a domino, and that's going to give us our equation. It looks like we have 5 and 3. So I'm going to take a crayon and I'm going to pick out 2 colors. You know, I'm going to pick out purple for one part, and I'm going to pick out brown for the other part. Okay, so I'm going to put my equation down here first. The very first thing, 5. So I'm going to write 5. That's going to be my first group. I haven't decided what it's going to be for my math story yet. I just know that's my first group. Then my other group is going to be 3. So I'm going to write 3 in here and 3 in here. So now I have my number sentence. 5 plus 3 equals 5 and 3 makes So I'm going to put my domino to the side now, and we're all going to be doing the same math story. We're just going to have different drawings, but we're going to use 5 and 3. This first one I want you to do with me. I'm going to think of 5 things that I could do a quick sketch of. So I'm going to do 5 heart balloons, because it's almost Valentine's Day. So remember, in math, it's a quick sketch. So I'm going to do 5 heart balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can color them real quick, but remember, it's a quick sketch. So I saw 5 heart balloons, and then I saw, how many more? 3. And I'm going to say I saw 3 regular balloons. So now I have my 3 regular balloons. And now remember, they're my pictures, so I can't move them. So I'm going to take my crayon, I'm going to do a big circle around them. And now I'm going to add them together. 1, I'm going to do count and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 and 3 makes 8. So now I can go over and I can make my math story. There were 5 heart balloons. Balloons. Then I saw, how many? 3 normal balloons. There are blank things all together. So how many balloons all together, everyone? We got 8. So now I can read you my math story. Remember, you press pause if you need to stop and catch up. There were 5 heart balloons. Then I saw 3 regular balloons. There are 8 things all together. And over my things, I could put a balloon, because that's what we did. All right, you can practice saying your numbers, your adding story aloud to yourself. And then we're going to do another example together. But this time I'm going to have you choose what you draw. So I'm going to erase my board. I'm going to turn this over. Oops, this one here. I have another one here. Mine was double-sided, so I have another one here. I'm going to draw another domino for us. Here it is. If you want, you can trade out your two colors. I'm going to use the same two. And now I have to do my two groups to put in my number sentence. So the first part of our domino is, do you guys remember? That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is my first part. And then my second part is going to be 4. So now I can read my number sentence. 6 plus 4 equals, And my math language, 6 and 4 makes, Now I'm going to use pictures to make a math story. So you tell me, I want you to think of 6 things that you can draw really quick. Look around your house. Math stories are everywhere. And then think of 4 more that you can draw. Remember to use 2 different colors so that we know your 2 groups. When you have them drawn, then you can circle them and put them together. And then the last piece we want you to do is fill out your math story. And then we want you to take a video, show us your math story, show us your math storyboard, and read to us the math story you created.